हमारा ये पहना पैर कटा हुआ है, हाँ घुटने के ऊपर से। ये सन 76 में कटा, अंगूठा से नासूर थे। उस समय हम खेती का काम करते थे। लड़का था, उसके 5 वर्ष की उम्र, 3-4 साल तक हम ऐसे नहीं चल पाए। उस समय ये सोचा कि जो भाग में हुआ वो तो
we identified the problems of the handicapped in India, and we felt that they suffered not from one but 3 disabilities. They were physically handicapped, and they were financially extremely poor, and thirdly most of them were illiterate. 99.5% of the people who come to us today are below the poverty line.
सन 1966 1966 के अंदर मैं यहाँ सवाई मानसिंह हॉस्पिटल के अंदर मुझे लोग लाए थे, बच्चों को कोई काम सिखाया जाए आर्ट का। मेरा जो काम था वो मेरा खानदान, हमारे दिमाग में आया कि जो है ये जो टायर होता है ये बड़ा मजबूत होता है, जो है इसका पाँव बना गया तो जो है कामयाबी हो सकती है।
We said we developed a foot, so we developed a design where we filled this with microcellular rubber, this with microcellular rubber, and the upper part was wood, so it can hold the shank. The biggest advantage is this movement, which the set foot doesn't have. And there is a movement here. We are giving them a foot piece which has got all the normal movements where they should be, and they last for 4 to 5 years. Because it is made of rubber, the person can walk on uneven grounds, he can climb mountains, he can climb trees. And the best thing is that there is no restraint of working in agriculture areas, because 80% of Indian population is still working in fields. So they can freely work with this on the field, and we don't have to change their profession.
The society's efforts to facilitate a quick and complete return to a more normal life begins with the fabrication of the foot. Jaipur foot pieces are prefabricated. The process is fast and simple, though largely manual. Foot and ankle assembly is made of vulcanized rubber compounds. Individual components are painted with rubber cement. Various toe and foot pieces are assembled together into one unit. Aluminium die is used to cast a normal foot shape. Sole-shaped patterns are placed on nylon cords used for reinforcement. This unit is then covered with skin-colored cosmetic rubber. Die is tightened and placed in vulcanizer. After 20 minutes, foot is removed and is ready for use. With the foot already prefabricated, a patient's day begins at 9 a.m. Once registered and admitted by a doctor, the limb is prepared, marked, and wrapped. A trained technician forms the cast. The cast is removed and a mold of the limb is poured and dried, then carved to the marked specifications. An ordinary polyurethane pipe is placed in a vacuum forming machine and heated, then stretched over the mold and formed. Once cooled, the mold is knocked loose and removed. A Jaipur foot is then attached and the prosthesis is fitted on the patient. Finally, the patient tests the prosthesis under the supervision of a doctor.
ऐसा है कि जयपुर से भी खबर मिली है और वहाँ से बुलावा है, और हमें अच्छा लगा, इसलिए अच्छा लगा कि हम ज्यों कि त्यों हम चलने लगे। हम 4-5 किलोमीटर चले जाएंगे और आए भी जाएंगे। हमारा तो सर सब दिन का काम खेती का है, ऐसा तो नहीं कि घंटा से कोई बात करे हो या